How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Best Buy gift card online, whether you've received a gift card for a special occasion or you've purchased one for yourself. I'll walk you through the steps to make the most of it. First things first, open your web browser and go to bestbuy.com. Alternatively, if you're using Best Buy app, simply open it on your phone. After that, simply log into your account and choose the country where you belong from, whichever it is. Now, what we need to do is browse through Best Buy's website and add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Once you've selected your products, simply click on the shopping cart item to review your items. Now, once you're happy with the cart, simply click the checkout button to proceed through the payment page. On the checkout page, you'll see several options like PayPal checkout and more. Just look for the gift card section. In the gift card section, you'll enter your Best Buy gift card details. Just take your Best Buy gift card and enter the card and PIN, and you'll find the details on the back of the card. For digital gift cards, you should have received an email with the card number and PIN. Make sure to enter them as exactly as they appear and simply apply the gift card, and that's it. That's how you successfully redeem your Best Buy gift card online.